It is starting. Good boy, TC. Being very handsome. This is a cool video camera.
What?
This is a cool video camera. I broke all mine.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Okay, that probably doesn't make you feel very good. Me holding yours.
Yeah, really. Can I put a helmet on you? No.
Jesse.
No, you cannot. Can I put a helmet on you? I got on! Look.
Cute, Jesse.
What's chocolate yours?
I have one.
But I know I got to move her around a little bit. Want me to try again?
Yeah, sure. That was nice. Oh, hey guys.
How does he look?
He looks really good. He looks nice and slow and pretty.
I'm going to try Canada the other way.
Okay. You're being a good boy, TC. TC is a pretty boy. Can it record my voice? Oh, that's awkward. I'm being really weird. Such a pretty boy, 'cause he's brown and white with black boots. Oh, collision.
Sorry.
That's okay. Cheyenne. TC.
I was breaking.
Bareback, no saddle, tackless, hashtag amazing. Oh, that was zoomed in. Yeah. He is so fancy. He's fancier than my hat.
You're not wearing a hat.
I'm not. I just thought I'd say I was.
Maybe.
The camera can't see me. Oh my gosh, this is like recording my voice. This is gonna be really weird. You're such a pretty boy, though. Whew. Quick stop. Good girl. He's a boy.
I just said boy on it. I mean a girl on it.
He's a.
And I said, Dad, you're recording way too much.
Oh, sorry.